Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Glad to see you today. We're going to do something I think is really fun. Someone gave us like a bazillion of these little tiny terracotta pots. We've made a lot of things with them, but yesterday I pulled them out and we painted on them. So I'm going to show you what we did. We took some acrylic paint, so I just have these are the colors I wanted to use. I put out some of the red, some green, some yellow, okay. And then you'll notice that I protected my work surface with newspaper that we get from my brother Tom. And I'm using a piece of foil for my painting palettes. Now this is fun. I'm going to hold it in my hand because I think that's going to be easier for painting. But you can decide whatever it is you want to paint on it. I was thinking like a little garden scene. Flowers always make me happy. So I'm going to start by just painting some lines. If you can see those. Just paint some lines, and then I'm going to use some of this yellow and just sort of dot it around so they'll be flower-ish, as we like to say. Not necessarily perfect flowers, right?
And those are happy colors too.
I know, I love yellow.
Could you actually plant something in that pot?
Yes, you could. It'd be a very small plant, but maybe something like a small succulent would be good in here. Or if you have a little fake plant that you don't have to water ever, that could be good too. Okay, I'm going to add some red, and then I'm going to show you something else fun that you can do with this. So I'm just going to add a little bit of red in there for a pop of color, and then
a little pop of color.
I like a little pop of color. Okay, but here comes the fun part with paint. With paint, you can mix things up. So I had that dark green, but now I want it to be a little lighter. So I'm going to take a little bit of each of the white and the green and create another green color, a lighter one. I want a straight line.
Look at my garden. There's so many different colors of green.
I know, and you can just do it with paint. Isn't that amazing? You can just create your own little mix of colors, so it's very light. And I may add some more dark green to that white, that very light pink. Now let's see if this, oh yeah, this is kind of what I wanted. You can play with paint. I guess that's really what I want to tell you, that painting on terracotta is super fun, but if you don't have that, you can paint on anything and just know that you can mix your colors. So this is adding white to something gives you a tint of the color. If you add dark, like a black color, then you'd be adding shade to your color. And then that gives you something interesting to look at. I'm going to stop there for the moment and come back to it after everything's dry so that I don't smear all my paints. But that is painting a terracotta pot. I don't know what I'm going to put into it yet, but it'll probably live up on the shelf pretty soon. Thanks everyone for visiting us. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye, friends.